Remember I used to buy my little sister Payless shoes.
What's up? I'm back. I'm in the mall right now. Hold up. I'm high as fuck right now with that wedding cake though. It's like a big ass hit earlier. I'm fucking lit. Fuck it. Now I'm just trying to find that phone repair place or something. Can't find it. So I might have to go somewhere else. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna just keep looking around though. Should I? But this is Stockton Mall though. Stockton, California Mall. Anyone watching overseas or whatever, but yeah. And I don't think I can find it. Yeah. Let me go search the other side, see if they have that phone repair stuff or whatever. I'm not really trying to walk somewhere else to take the bus. I'm just trying to do that right here and get my phone fixed. I'm hella lit right now. Shit. Feel my damn heart beating right now. That's how high I am. But I'm good, bro. I had got some already. Gee, thank you, man. Now I'm good. Maybe like next week I'll come buy more or something. Feel me? Oh, bro. I'm hella fucking high. Oh. Only thing I hate about being out the malls and shit, it's hella packed. Like today, some people probably got their stimulus or whatever. Now they're just spending. Got that shit and fuck, ain't got nothing to open there. Fuck, I'm still looking. Damn. Just trying to get my damn phone fixed. That's it. I don't think it's down here. Uh, Maybe the other mall I can check. I'm not even sure yet. I could buy probably like 5 right now if I wanted. Fucking 5 big ass chains, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm really thinking I go on the other side. Shit. Hopefully not. Yeah. Look, this entire block, I'm just hot as fuck right now. Fuck it. Phone repair. I think right here. Okay. Do you guys do phone repair? Alright. I'm gonna sign up for now. Huh?
We only do iPhone.
iPhone? Damn. Okay. Thank you. That's good. So they only did iPhones, I guess. I guess I'm about to find somewhere else. So I was gonna end my blog here, but I guess I keep it going and see what they got. Shit. Hollister. I don't really wear Hollister though, to be honest. These, I mean, if you like stuff like that, yeah, I think that's kind of tight right there sometimes. Yeah. Oh, okay. Chili's. Moving inside here. I guess I'll just go to the other mall and see if they can fix my damn phone. Go to the other mall right now, but I ain't have what I need. So I go to the other one. Let it be out. Yeah. Okay, I thought we were talking about it.